Hello, I am Dr. Roman at Pacific Park Family Dental, and I am here today to talk to you about what the heck is All-on-4 is. So, recently in the field of dentistry, everybody is talking about All-on-4, All-on-6, blah, blah, blah. What does that mean? Why do we call it that? Okay, so these are the most searched questions on Google that patients frequently ask. So for your convenience, I'll just explain everything here so you don't have to go anywhere looking for this information. How is that different from just traditional dental implants? So the technology of All-on-4s really came out when we dentists were looking for a much cheaper alternative to placing a bunch of implants into an arch and just restoring them with either bridges or individual implants, because it gets expensive and we don't want expensive. We want as cheap and long term as possible. So we want to say, okay, this is the expense curve and this is the longevity curve where those two meet. And the lower on the expense side and the higher on the longevity curve, that's where we want to be. We want to have best of both worlds. We want to do it as economically as possible, but yet as long term as possible. And All-on-4 seems to guarantee that for virtually everybody. So, how is it different? More implants for a traditional implant restoration where you restore with singles and bridges. More implants, more money. An All-on-4 is just an entire arch, just based on 4 if it's an All-on-5 on 5 implants, if it's an All-on-6 on 6 implants. The key difference is that between single implants and bridges, you will have some gaps that you can floss through. With an All-on-4, that reality kind of goes away. You have to use a water pick in order to clean under that particular prosthetic, but it's still done and it works very well.